Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the second line. This gets the process rolling now. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan your carrier eSIM QR or follow Setup for a physical SIM. Once done, label each line so you can tell them apart. This matters when choosing which number you use. Make sure both plans show as active. If one appears pending, complete carrier activation before continuing to avoid missed calls or messages later. Next, assign roles and labels. This is the detailed setup that controls behavior. In cellular settings, choose default voice and cellular data lines, and label each plan so the UI shows names like primary or business. Then open Messages and FaceTime to select which number registers for iMessage and FaceTime. This prevents message confusion. Also, set per contact preferences by editing a contact and choosing the desired default number for calls and text. Finally, complete the setup by testing both numbers. Place calls and send text to confirm which line is used. Make sure contacts have a default line set so outgoing calls automatically use the right number. This streamlines daily use. If you encounter problems, restart the iPhone and check for carrier settings updates. Once done, re-enable the eSIM profile or reinsert the physical SIM. If service still fails, contact the carrier to confirm both plans are provisioned correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.